Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are alright and hope you are happy about the mini pump we had on Bitcoin and Ethereum and Elrond. And I want to discuss why this happened, how it happened, what we can expect in the next couple of weeks, maybe months. But before that, I wanted to ask you to press the subscribe button because 55%, more than 55% of you are not subscribed. And my wife said if I don't reach the 3000 by the end of the month, there will be consequences. Shortage of some things. So help me out please and hit the subscribe button. It doesn't really hurt you. I checked it. If you hit the subscribe button, it will not punch you or pinch you or anything. Okay, let's go and see where we are going. Not this one, let's see this one. Okay, Bitcoin is at the 44,000 and yes, it jumped because everything jumped. As you can see, S&P 500 also went up, and this was based on the news that the inflation is not that high. I mean, it's very high. It's the highest in the last 40 years in the US and probably all around the world, but it's as high as it was expected. Exactly as I said yesterday in the video, if the news are not as bad as we are expecting, or they are just as bad as the market was expecting it, then we will have a pump because, yeah, the market already priced the bad news. Ethereum went up to the almost 3400s. Now we are facing again, I mean, it is facing again some resistances, which were, let's say, some weak supports. It just went down. Elrond is at the 270. So what is the threat again? What threatening us? Well, we are gonna have a death cross. Yes, the death cross is here. And that is the 50 and the 200 day moving averages. When they cross, as you can see, as they crossed here, usually the price goes down. Now you see we are pumping. Just let me get my brush because it's much more easier to show you. Where is the VPR? We don't need that yet. Okay, so we are pumping. We are almost at the death cross. We were pumping and we hit the death cross. And that cross, yeah, it pushed us down. So am I expecting Bitcoin to go back to the 60, 55, 70, 100, 2 million? No, not in the next couple of weeks, maybe not in this month. For the simple fact that the death cross is coming, and that is a very, very threatening sign for many people, and they are not going to buy. Many people will sell. We use this small 2% or 3%, or how much was this? I don't even, it's 2.6%. They will use it to gain some profits, however big those profits are. But if you want to gain profits of 2 and 3%, you should go to the stock market. You will have more chances there, honestly, than doing this all the time with Bitcoin, because trading is hard, believe me. Now, if this death cross is about to happen and will happen, I mean, except if the price goes like this, which I don't think. So if the death cross will happen, probably we will revisit some lower lows, and that might be the 38,000. That's where many people are prognosing the next low. Now everything is joyful and people are full of euphoria, but this is only because the inflation is not as high as people were expecting it. Now, if we fall below the 40,000 again, boy oh boy, we will be in a big pile of shit. And the price, yes, can go down even to the 35,000, because as you can see on the volume indicator here, well, between the 38 and the 35, nothing is there. It's just a big gap. It's a big hole, and if the 38 doesn't stop us, then yeah, we will be in trouble. Now let's go forward and discuss about the others. I don't know if it makes sense, but Ethereum is returning to the 3400s. I think still Ethereum is a good buy. I do think that if and when, and I like to say when, the market resets, Ethereum will go up and revisit the all-time highs very fast, and I'm still expecting Ethereum to go in this bull market to the 10,000, 15,000s maybe. So we will see what will happen. But if Bitcoin touches the 75, 100,000, 10,000 for Ethereum is a piece of cake. That's what I think. Elrond used this opportunity as every other altcoin and went up to the 218. Yes, it is not pushed down. Or obviously some good news also came into the Elrond network regarding UTrust and Ethereum or whatever it's pronounced, the new project. I'm going to talk about that in this video. And yeah, it is understandable that the price used this mini pump to jump. I would like it to go up to the 250 just to make sure that we create some support there, just to go above, just to tip over and come back here. I would really like to see that. That would mean the world to me. In the meantime, I wanted to announce that I am trading Ride and Elrond. Yes, because I bought with Elrond Ride when Ride was at around $1.2. Now it's at $2. So I just switched back, bought back some Elrond. When Ride goes down again and Elrond goes up, then I will just buy some Ride. So yeah, just small disclaimer here. Okay, let's go forward and talk about what is going to happen on Elrond network, because ITHEUM, I have no idea. Let me know in the comments how it's pronounced, because I have no idea how to pronounce it. I will call it ITHEUM. So ITHEUM is launching on the Elrond Dubai Incubator, and ITHEUM is Web3 metaverse project which will make sure that our data, the information about us, about the users, about the people, are not traded and let's say traded under the counter by the global tech giants like Google and Facebook, and they will turn all this data into NFTs, and people can buy these NFTs, this data, if they want to. I can't really imagine how Cambridge Analytica, for example, will go and buy NFT about people's search preferences just to manipulate elections, but it is what it is. I think it's still better. It's still better than having everything at Google and Facebook. Nevertheless, if you have Facebook, YouTube, Google, so on, if you use the internet, then all your data is still available for everyone. So don't just relax. Your data is available. Cameras, fingerprints, face recognitions, stuff like that. Everything is there. Facebook and Google knows everything about you. You can be sure about that. So what I am expecting in the next couple of weeks, when I will tell you, I think Bitcoin will go lower. Yes. And if we want to use the previous data after the dead cross, that was somewhere here, but we had a peak and we went down another 30%, which was a bit hairy, but it could happen again. Now, if we go down 30%, and let's say that we go down from here, that would mean down here 31,000. We would revisit the 30,000 again. I think that would be a capitulation for many people. I don't think that if we revisit the 30,000 we will come back. Honestly, I just don't. I think so many people will leave the crypto space that there will be no buying power. But if we stop at the 38,000, we still have some chance. We just need some time to reset, because this would have been a very short correction, and I don't really see Bitcoin going from this point back up. That would be very strange. I mean, not in a straight line, but something like this. I think that would be very strange. I can't really find any big correction with this kind of comeback, but something like yeah, something like that is much more livable for me. That is something which I could believe that could drive us out from this correction or mini bear market. I don't know. Obviously, we are still waiting for the Fed to tell us how the tapering will happen. Let's see how they plan to reinforce the dollar's value, which is going down against the English pound, and as you can see, the euro is going up against the dollar, therefore the dollar is going down. So we will see what will happen. As it is now, let's be happy about this, because I don't think that it will hold for too long. Now, I hope I didn't bring you down your mood. I hope that I did not interrupt the big celebration, but yeah, you are not watching me to give you false hopes. I hope I'm trying to give you realistic hopes, and my realistic hope is that if we break down, then we need to accumulate. If we go up, then we need to take profits. That is my my simple advice. It's that simple. And in between, because yeah, everyone says that here trading is so easy, just buy and sell. In between, you need to have tremendous patience to wait out when to buy, and then you have to have courage and maybe not to be too greedy to sell. This was all from me. I was Sabi. I hope that you liked the content. If you did, smash the like button because I'm counting on you, and subscribe because many of you are not subscribed, and it would be a huge favor for me if you subscribed. I will come back with another video, maybe tomorrow, maybe on Friday. Now I'm really planning to have a live this week, so hopefully I will have time and we can cover what happened on the market. Probably on Friday we will see some very interesting results of this tapering and inflation rates and everything, and we will have a better picture where Bitcoin goes. Until then, take care.